2026 YMSL Gem of the Year. I see the gem counter started. In softball and in life, failures are bound to arise. What does the person do with those failures is what makes the man. A player with a 400 batting average in softball is considered elite. Now, he knows there's a good chance he may make out. So suppose he does make out in his previous at-bat. When he steps into the plate again, does he think about it? If he does, he becomes paralyzed. But if he makes short-term memory his superpower, that player becomes dangerous again. So the lesson here is, let's go to the book of Mishleh. It says 7 times a man falls, but he rises again. So the one who has the ability to forget, he's the one who brings positivity to the clubhouse, not negativity, because he just made out. He could bring negativity to his clubhouse, express frustration openly, but nothing good comes from that. The person who forgets is the person who's dangerous again. And to sum it all up, you are not your last at bat, you are your next one. Go Z-Train.
Pirates, Pirates, oh, Pirates, Pirates, oh, Pirates.
One more thing. We're not going to beat this team because they suck. We're going to beat them because we're great.
The sonic change in the atmosphere. Yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We're south of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We got 2 in the front, 2 in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. By in the yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag.
הפחד משתק אותך כמעט מבפנים, ואין מילים, רק להשפיל את המבט. אתה מבין, אין דרך לעבור ואין לעצור, וכל מה שהיה לעולם לא יחזור. בסוף כל הדרכים נשקף לו האור, אז אל תשכח, תמיד תזכור, כל העולם הזה הוא גשת צר, מעלי הבשור שלא נגמר. אבל תזכור תמיד שהעיקר לא לפחד, לא לפחד כלל. כל העולם הזה הוא גשת צר, מעלי הבשור שלא נגמר. אבל תזכור תמיד שהעיקר לא לפחד, לא לפחד כלל. קח את הזמן להיפגש עם עצמך, רק איתך להירגע ולהשיב את התקווה אל תוך לבך, כי העולם הזה הוא גשת צר, מעלי הבשור שלא נגמר. אבל תזכור תמיד שהעיקר לא לפחד, לא לפחד כלל. העולם הזה הוא גשת צר, מעלי הבשור שלא נגמר. אבל תזכור תמיד שהעיקר לא לפחד, לא לפחד כלל.
Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Keep on bluffing, but I just can't win. Drown my sorrows, but they learn to swim. Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Head in a bottle, put my heart in a case. Yeah, it's getting harder to act my age. Play a sad song on a tiny violin for the man at the bar confessing his sins. I need some good news, sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through, but the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely, trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. Love keeps knocking, but I just stay home. I ain't picking no flowers for the seeds that I'm sown. They say it gets darker when you're coming on down. Still looking for the right at the end of my wrongs. At the end of my wrongs, I need some good news, sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through, but the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely, trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. It's a little good news.
Greetings YMSL members, Ruby Shahebar of Gems by Ruby with a brief thought to share. Last year, we spoke about the power of 12 men uniting toward a common goal from a physical standpoint, how it takes a team effort, 10 men needing to hit in order to win. This time, let's shift to the spiritual counterpart. An organization, a team, and its 12 men are only as strong as the culture it creates. It's about bringing out the best in each individual and forming an identity. let's call it rather a spiritual entity. It's clear that when the morale is high, the results reflect that. If the energy of the whole is high, a great spiritual force is forming, something greater than any plaque that shows for that season's end. Any team has the power to harness that energy and turn things around. It's never too late to turn the corner. Teshuvah is always open, if only we are wise enough to tap into it. This message from Gems by Ruby, proud sponsor of the 25 YMSL season, something to reflect on as we power through the season. Let's make it count.
Hello, grandfather. He's on.
They put a new blade in there? Yes. It's in there? Can't believe it. Yo, where are you?
Yep.
Soft Alice, very somber Soft Alice. Look at this card that he has. Wow. It's like a,
What is that? What are those things called?
I don't know what it is. Like
Japanese
an avatar
cartoons?
almost. Yeah.
Love that.
And it's a Hubba Bubba card.
Thank you.
The name stokes fear in pitchers across the league. Known as one of the strongest and most potent power hitters. It's a 1 of 1. It's stamped.
I get to keep it?
You do not. You get to sign it. And if you bought
get
one,
paid for
maybe
this?
you'll get lucky. Excellent. Saul.
Right.
Two gentlemen, you did get a hit. Pleasure to see you here, sir. Mo, we have a baseball card with your image on it. Oh, look at this beautiful card. I love it. It's from the Baltimore Orioles. You're a multi-time champ. This card from the Orioles. It has your stats from 15, 16, 17, and 18, the previous 4 years, I guess. And nice little blurb over there. 1 of 1 stamped. Please sign this. Where would you like me to sign it? Anywhere you want. One person is getting. This is tough because it's a dark colored card. So there you go. Now Mo, you're gonna be shocked. You're the first person ever to appear on 2 cards in the same year. 91 batting leaders. Mo Haber on the hard way. You batted 622 that year, Mo. So
Tell these guys.
we have the top 30 batters that year batted 622 with power, I'll remind you. Jason Cohen, the right one, and that's the MIA. Most line up there. Of the batting title champ, 1991.
Thank you so much. That's so nice.
2 lucky customers will get the Mo
Thank you so
Haber's
much.
1
Thank
of
you.
1.
Anybody feel sorry for these guys? Go home right now.
I only feel sorry because we're going to have to lose another game right now. Yeah. Let's go. See.
Guys,
Come on!
guys, it's very simple. Get after them early and put them away. Okay? And keep the foot on the gas till it's over. That's it. There's no hang around. Wait till the 3rd inning. Try to hit a home run on the first pitch. Okay? That's mentality. Now, in terms of adjustment on the field, Solid Power is not going to try to advance. I know him, and we'll both work for him to do it. Okay? He's just doing this. Okay? When it's done at the plate, you can't help it. I'm guilty. A couple other guys were guilty of putting it. If he's going to do it and it's your first strike, just stay back and try. That's it. Be ready for that pitch. It's what he's going to throw 9 out of 10.
Guys,
Okay?
use your at-bats. Use your at-bats.
That's
Every
it.
single one
Yeah,
counts.
guys, if
Every
you-
single one counts.
I
Use
know,
them.
I know everyone goes on Monday and Tuesday and they check the website, look at their stats. You want to really see,
Right.
oh, I got up for this.
Right.
Talking to every team, they're all depressed and everything. You score 2, 3 runs, and it's over.
Yeah. That's
then
it.
keep it
Gotta
going.
score the 2 runs.
I
I
know.
know. Obviously, right
And-
away.
And the best part about all this, we're out first. Have it the chance
By the way,
to put it right
Set the
now.
tone. Set the tone right now. All right, let's go. Let's go. Mocas, what are we doing?
Nah, this is Z-Train.
Z-Train. Go back in. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Go.
Take us.
1, 2, 3, Z-Train!
Oh my love, oh my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long and lonely time. And time goes
He's a new pair! Another pair! Get him another pair! We'll give it to Cena. Let's go.
Well, my friends, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long. Oh yeah. People dancing all in the street. See the rhythm all in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, climbing, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song. All night long. Oh, all night long. Yes, all night long. Yeah, all night long. Yeah, once you get started, you can't sit down.
Yodeling. Ooh-wee. Prepped by Ray T. Get your brisket, get your burgers, your hot dogs, your kibbas, everything you need by the famous Chef Ray T. Yodeling. Ooh-wee. Ray T. Prepped by Ray T.
Hello there, everyone. This is six-time YMSL champion Stephen Batesh, letting you in on my secret to success. After a grueling season, a tough doubleheader, and a big comeback win, nothing tastes like victory more than the fine meats of Prepped by the famous chef Ray T. From the juicy steaks to the scrumptious burgers to the delectable mazza, or my personal favorite, the chicken pot pie. You can't go wrong with Prepped by Ray T. Trust a six-time champion. Call Ray T today to cater your summer event and eat happy, my friends.
Prepped by Ray T. Get your brisket, get your burgers, your hot dogs, your kibbas, everything you need by the famous Chef Ray T. Ray T. When you need a hammer and a nail, Rushmore Construction, they never fail. When you need a wall standing tall, Rushmore Construction, they build it all. When you need a roof up tight, Rushmore Construction, they'll do it right. When you need a floor so strong, Rushmore Construction.
This is David Farka, two-time YMSL champion and two-time Triple Crown winner, speaking on behalf of Rushmore Construction. At Rushmore Construction, they don't just build structures, they create lasting foundations for your future. Whether it's residential, commercial, or custom, Rushmore Construction's team of experts ensures top-notch quality, innovative solutions, and timely delivery every step of the way. With years of experience and commitment to excellence, they take pride in transforming your vision into a reality with precision, reliability, and attention to detail. When I recently needed some major construction done to my home, I called Sam Loudon from Rushmore Construction, And in the bottom of the ninth, with 2 outs, he knocked it out of the park. Not only did he fix my problem, but he did it under budget and ahead of schedule. So for all your construction needs, small or big, make sure to call Sam Loudon from Rushmore Construction. When you need a hammer and nail, Rushmore Construction will never fail.
When you need a hammer and a nail, Rushmore Construction, they never fail. When you need a wall standing tall, Rushmore Construction.
Hi boys, this is Ruby Shahebar of the Big Red Machine reporting to you live from Miami, Florida. Boys, quick message for you all. In life, especially connected to the theme of Pesach, the Jews are always going to be pressed. In life, there's times when you're going to be pressed and it's going to require an enhanced effort. And to connect it to our game this past week, when the other team had 1 man on with no outs, it's easy to think negatively that, okay, we're about to be walked off, this game's not going to be pretty. But behind that perceivable bad situation is Hashem setting the stage for the breakthrough, for the Yeshua, for the salvation. And we got to always keep that faith on that it's all part of the story. This is just God is setting the stage for you to make a play for your team. And because it's more fun that way. What would you do if you were God? You would have fun with it, and you would reward positive thinking and belief in Him. When you believe in Him, He proves you right. And Hashtag Hashem, we got the win. So always remember that there's nothing that's in our control and 2 ways to respond, right, to every situation. There's always going to be 2 outcomes: make base, make out, throw a ball, throw a strike. Think positive or think negative. Choose positive. Chag Sameach, everyone.